What's up guys, so this is a charging desk lamp by Baseus. So basically I have a 14-inch Samsung Odyssey G9 monitor with a external webcam by Obsport. It's called Obsport Tiny 2 4K webcam. I really love both of these things. Since the monitor is so huge, the light that is behind it does not come to my face enough. So sometimes doing video calls and recording video, my face does not get enough light. So I wanted to install something that I can use as a study or as something to you make calls and get enough light on me. This is made of, I think, fully metal made, good amount of battery, like it has 4 hours of battery life on full light and 24 hours on low light, and you can rotate it and bunch of other stuff. So let's check it out. I would say it came well packed. I mean, there is protection. Oh, there are some stickers as well. My kids really love stickers, so good for them. Some user manual, and then the empty box. Nice packaging, by the way. Is there any space for me to put my finger in? That did not came out good. Alright, we have type A to type C cable, almost 1 meter. I'm just guessing, but I think it is 1 meter. Some user manual or something like that, warranty card or whatever. And we have the main light already assembled. I think both of these are separately enveloped, yeah, but they are magnetically attached. But because this light magnetically attaches, let's see. Is it metal? I don't know. I'm not sure actually if it is metal or plastic. By the feel of this, I feel like it is plastic, although the paint job is done in a way that it feels metal, but my guess is that it is plastic. I was under the assumption that it was metal. It feels totally metal. The paint job is totally of aluminium, but my guess, which has really high chances of success, is that it is plastic. Otherwise, the bezels aren't there, so that's good. And let me show you the mount as well. Extremely strong magnet. Like when I need to pull it out, I am applying a significant force, so there is no way that it will fall down like this. See, so it will not fall down. This tape, double tape, is also the strong one. Usually the one that are red and black are usually the strongest as compared to the white ones that come with them. So it will like last you a long time, and it is really difficult to peel off. I'm telling you with experience. So if you ever wanted to paste something with a strong adhesion, then go with this red and black one. It is the strongest, at least I have tried in my experience. On this side you have the type C, the light indicator or charging indicator. On this side you have the buttons. These are touch buttons. Not sure if you can see them, at least. Okay, I think you will be able to see them right in this angle. On off button. This is, I think, light increase or decrease button. This is timer button, if you, in case you want it to like turn off after certain time. Baseus logo here. You can change it like this if you want it to point up or downward, like this one. This is the maximum it go, and then you can go like this. Okay, and let me turn it on now if it has some battery. Okay, it did turn itself on. It is in warm color. I think I should be able to like change it to white as well if I am right, and hopefully I am right. This is the minimum brightness, this is the maximum brightness, this is timer, something like timer, then you have off. Let's turn off the studio light and show you. So this is the minimum light that you can get out of it, and this is the maximum light that you can get out of it. I guess nice enough for your oh, sorry, I pressed that button accidentally. I guess nice enough for your face, and but not sharp enough. Like for some reason I feel like it is not, maybe it is low on battery or something. It is not as bright as I would expect it to be. I mean, for video call it's going to be great, see, but if you are has some height on your shelf and you apply it there and you want to study beneath it, I don't think it would work that much. So for video calls I can recommend it to you, but not for reading or writing. Let me give it a quick charge and see if it changes its light, and then I will also show you by applying it to my setup. Alright, so I have gotten a, let me turn it on, power bank here. So let's try plugging it in and see. What the hell, man, these touch buttons are really easy to mess with. Oh, it does increase. Let me see. So it does increase, and although not by much, but like maybe 10 to 20%, and this is the light that you get out of it. Let me show you something. I think it's good enough, but don't expect, if your shelf or wherever you are applying, if the distance between is just more than 2 feet, or at least at max more than 3 feet, I don't think you should buy it for reading or writing. You can still buy it for making video calls or getting some enough light for video call, well, just things like that, but don't do it for my small things like reading and writing. Let me increase it. I mean, my camera is still picking up more light, but with my eyes I feel like it is not enough. So my feeling is mixed. Again, I told you, if you are making video calls, then that's great. If you need to do something that is not very tiny, that's good enough as well. But if you need to read and write, make sure that you're within 3 feet height difference with this one. But otherwise, the quality wise and looks wise, it's really good. I don't have any complaints with it. So let's go and install it to my setup. Alright, this is my setup. As you can see, this is a 14 9-inch Odyssey G9 monitor, and it is connected with my MacBook right over there with my headphones and everything there. This is my webcam, and it's called Oxford Tiny 4K. I really love it, and this is the light. And now that I have installed it, I can just, but meaning here, you can turn it on like this and increase it to full capacity, and then turn it off like that. So with that I will be able to give some light to my face. And by the way, I don't think it does change brightness. Whatever color it has, it remains that. At least that's my understanding. And what else? Let me, before you leave, let me show you something, why I love this webcam. So see, sleep tiny, hi tiny. So when I say hi tiny, it wakes up automatically and start looking at me, and I think I have enabled it tracking as well. So if I move away, it should be, let me show it my face. I think it has face tracking. I think I disabled it, but it does have 360 degree rotation. Let me actually enable it and show it to you. Right, I have enabled it now. It also changes its indicator light based on what setting it is in. So let me show it my face, and let's move a little bit. See, it is rotating as I move. It can rotate 360 degree. It is good for social media. It can record vertical and horizontal orientation, and I simply love this. It has beauty filters. I mean, it has so many things inside it. I simply love it. It's expensive. When I bought it, it was around $329, not cheap, but I still love it. Full metal design, and it goes to sleep so I don't need a cover or something like that. So let's see. Sleep tiny. See, so it goes to sleep, and you know that now no one is watching you. So I really love this webcam, and it has port for, it has port for tripod as well. So I think now with this one it will give even better results. It has two microphones, if you can see them right here. So paired with my 49-inch monitor, Samsung Odyssey G9, my MacBook, gaming keyboard. I have their Stream Deck as well. Logitech MX Master 3S, something that again I really love and enjoy. I have this rest pad, and if you remove its cover, you can see a bunch of stuff here. It has a compartmentalized storage, which I really use for smaller things like needles and SIM ejectors. On the side, I have my wireless charger and another charging station. It's a bunch of stuff going on. So I guess in this video I also shared my setup with you, like how I have done everything. So this was the light, guys. Let me know about your feedback. Take great care of yourself. Bye.